On the Medical Watch, a doctor from California becomes the first patient in the U.S. to undergo a double lung and liver transplant.
Doctors at Northwestern Memorial Hospital performed the transplant. Dr. Gary Gibbon was diagnosed with stage 3 lung cancer last year. Gibbon underwent chemotherapy, radiation, and immunotherapy in California, and he was told the treatment permanently destroyed his lungs and caused irreparable damage to his liver. He was also told there were no more options and he should start preparing for hospice care. But Gibbon remembered a clinical trial that his wife had read about at Northwestern called the DREAM program.
I'm honored to be sitting here next to these two distinguished surgeons from Northwestern Medicine who saved my life. Anyone who came into contact with me and took care of me is an angel forever in my life. The irony is not lost on me that as a pulmonologist, allergist, and immunologist, it was shocking to receive a diagnosis of lung cancer. I credit the DREAM program for saving my life.
Pretty incredible.
Yeah.
The doctors at Northwestern gave Gibbon a stethoscope in honor of his birthday yesterday, a day that also marked 6 months of him being cancer-free.
Wow, incredible. Well, the number of TB cases went up last year in the U.S. to just over 9,600. The Centers for Disease Control reports that the third annual increase in a row after nearly 30 years of declining numbers. TB is a bacterial infection that can attack any organ, although it usually strikes the lungs. California reported the highest number of cases, more than 2,000 of them. Still, the U.S. has one of the lowest TB rates globally. Most cases here are believed to be latent TB being reactivated rather than a recent transmission.